Calico on Crypto here. Thanks for tuning in. All right, this is episode 1 of Calico's Crypto Corner, where I give you guys my opinion about the whole crypto space. All right, I'm gonna preface these videos by saying DYOR, do your own research, and TYOR, take your own risk. All right, whatever you do in this crypto space, regardless of what I say or whoever else says, man, you got to take your own risk, and you're responsible for that, man, or whatever happens. I mean, if you get liquidated, that's on you. If you buy a garbage project, that is on you. You cannot go into the comment section and blame people. All right, so again, in my opinion, this whole video, so let's get started. All right, Bitcoin's at 19K. all right, in my humble opinion, I think it's going to drop to 15. Why I think 15, I don't know. I just think 15. I really don't have any technical analysis to give you guys. I'm just kind of looking at everything with raising rates. Yeah, I mean, war in Ukraine, all this kind of stuff going on. I feel like it's going to hit that. And then when we even look at the chart here, right, let's go actually year to date or in the past year. We look at it here. Like a staircase, homie. It's dipping and dodging, higher lows type deal. It already touched 18K. I mean, I feel like the crypto space, it got to be exciting, right? It got to be exciting. So let's just go lower. It keeps bouncing off 18, 19, homie. Let's just go down, homie. Let's do 15. In my opinion, if it hit 15, buy in if you went to Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Moving on from that, though, Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. All right. My prediction for Ethereum, homie, at 1,315. I think at $900 it is a buy. Why do I think that? Because it already touched 900. I think it even touched 800 on Kucoin. You know what I'm saying? But if you look at the chart here, it looks just like Bitcoin's chart. Most manipulated market. All right, keep that in mind. If we look at it, right, you can see here it touched right here, right? Hold on, I can't even see it right here. Yeah, if we go right there, 1,000. It touched 900. I just remember. This chart probably won't let me zoom in enough. Oh, yes, it does. Here we go. Because it also depends on the, the exchange as to where, how low it goes. Because, every exchange ain't the same. But it touched about 900 at one point, 1051. It touched 900. I don't care what this chart. Here we go, 993. It touched 900. So I think, like, if it hits 900 again, that's a buy. Or even lower, buy into it. If you had bought in at that time when it touched 900, you'd be up right now in the green. You wouldn't even care at this point. I mean, if you threw in 900, it'd be 13 right now. You feel me? So Ethereum, everything is down. Rates went up, etc., etc. You got USDT and Tether. I like to check these guys out just to see the market cap and also see the volume and all that. If you look at the circulating supply, USDC is catching up. All right, I think USDC is gonna flip Tether because Tether is shady. All right, moving on from them, BNB does this thing. I mean, in my opinion, that's always been a strong buy in general because the CEOs everywhere, he's always talking about something. He spends his crypto. He talks about crypto. He's, playing the game. He knows how the, elites work. So he's gonna play his game to maintain. You feel me? We look at XRP, they're rallying because of all the news that's come out in the past 2 months that I've been reporting on. XRP is doing this thing in the media. If you notice, whenever certain tokens are in the media, they kind of pump every now and again. Look at Doge, look at Shiba Inu, you feel me? XRP been in the media for the past 2 months, doing stuff in Scotland, doing stuff with CBDCs, SEC case. So people were buying the news, and then selling it afterward. As you can see, people are going to start selling, pumping and dumping real quick, right? Move down to Cardano. They got something happening with Cardano got something happening with what is it? Not a hard fork, but they're doing something. I can't recall. I just know with Cardano, man, it's always steady. I mean, people ain't really making super big gains with Cardano, and they're not really taking super huge detrimental losses, right? At least I don't believe so. I mean, yeah, it does follow the chart, it does follow crypto. I mean, it's been declining. Bull market, then it's just been kind of declining and sitting at 40-50 cents. Hasn't really done much. If you bought in on January, you probably hurting because that's a dollar all the way down to 50 cents. So yeah, but otherwise they got something going on right here. Okay, today's the day. This guy got 6 figures at ADA. Wow. So today's the day that they're going to do what is the Vassal mainnet, some Vassal mainnet that they're dropping. It's not like the Ethereum merge, it's something else, so it's big news for them. Maybe that's why they're pumping a bit more. We'll see. full disclosure, I bought some ADA just to see what would happen. I mean, just for fun. Solana, that's another buy right there. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, USDC's on there now and all this stuff. I mean, Solana's a buy, in my opinion. You feel me? And I'm gonna go the wrong way. We look at the chart here. All right, I'm a master at this, right? 1 year, again, all these charts are gonna look pretty much the same. They hit 2 bills, homie. In my opinion, it's been a buy. They ain't going anywhere. Solana's not going anywhere, I don't believe, man. Look, right now it's a buy at 30 bucks. It's a buy. I mean, if Ethereum and Bitcoin keep going down, of course it's gonna go down even more. So take your own risk at the end of the day. You can average in, do lump sum, it's up to you here, right? Let's keep on going down this little list, man. We go down to Polkadot. In my opinion, they've always been a buy. They're pretty legit, right? Polygon Matic, they're pretty legit as well. It's a buy. Shiba Inu, I don't touch it. All right. Tron, I don't really know much about them. Avalanche is another one that's all right. I don't really touch it either. We keep going down. Cosmos is legit. I always hear about Cosmos. They ain't really having any news, but they do their thing. Ethereum Classics is actually a kind of interesting one, in my opinion, man. Because after the Ethereum merge, right, all the miners are like, we can't mine Ethereum. Well, guess what? We can mine Ethereum Classic, right? I don't know how the whole mining stuff works, right? But I do know if you buy an Ethereum miner, it only mines Ethereum, right? I don't know if they can switch it to mine Ethereum Classic. I don't know. But for some reason, I'm thinking maybe Ethereum Classic might do some big things because, I mean, we're talking about thousands of miners everywhere, right? They're like, I don't know if they're angry, but they're like, dude, like, what the heck? Like, I want to make some money. I got to pay for this rig I bought 3 months ago. So they're going to mine Ethereum Classic to do so. So I think that I might jack up the price. I don't know. But as you can see here, hit 14 bucks, 13 bucks in the past year. So it's trailing down like everything else. So I don't know. In my opinion, when it comes to taking your own risk, I don't know. I might look in Ethereum Classic just to see if it runs up. Because if you think about it, Ethereum went up because of miners, right? And people investing in it, you know, and all the fees and all that. Like, they're doing big things. I don't know if people are using Ethereum Classic for anything else other than mining, but it's just interesting to me, right? And they're available everywhere. Kucoin, Coinbase, Kraken, they're available. Bittrex, Kraken, everywhere. So you can buy it, right? At this price, I don't know, maybe. Depends on you. Can't tell you what to do, but just wait for things to drop. We'll see. Let's keep going down the list. I got some Chainlink at $5. I'm feeling all right. I'm gonna hold on to that. Litecoin, that's the thing. I'm iffy on Litecoin. I don't know. Litecoin, it is what it is. I just know that Litecoin pumps when Bitcoin pumps, and it goes down when Bitcoin goes down. FTX, they do things. That's all I can say. They're like Coinbase. They do things, man. That's one to keep an eye on. Stellar, I got fat amounts of Stellar, full disclosure. Don't be like me. So Stellar's doing all right. Chronos, I got fat amounts of Chronos CRO token. That's because I'm a UFC fan, man. I watch UFC. So, you know, and I like Netflix, and I like airport lounges. And when I saw that they got that UFC deal, I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna sell my Chronos. I'll stick with the debit card. I mean, is what it is. Near Protocol, I hear about them. Don't know too much about them, but I guess in the bull market they're gonna do good. Algorand's another one that I hold. They're all right. They're doing their thing in the real estate type of deals, right? I feel like Algorand is gonna be one of those tokens that they're gonna use for like real estate down the line. I don't know, because like I'm invested in some tokenized real estate and they use Algorand. Then after I saw another company do the same thing, they use the Algorand blockchain. So I'm like, that's kind of like a low-key takeover. They're kind of doing their thing. They're up, as you can see. In the past year, just like everybody else. Are they a buy now? Yeah, I'd say so. Why not? Throw some bags in there, homies. They're kind of cheap in a way, right? Then we're gonna go down. Full disclosure, I bought some ApeCoin, and I got trashed. Don't be like me. I took my own risk. Why I did it, I don't know. It just seemed cool. VeChain, I had some VeChain. I dropped it. Filecoin, don't know. Terra Classic, I mean, everyone's buying into it. Everybody's talking about it. I'm not touching it. Hedera, Hashgraph, HBAR, I got some of that too. That one, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of just FOMO'd into it, just to do it, just to hold it. It is what it is. Sandbox. I actually like Sandbox. I like the name, but I'm not gonna lie, I like Decentraland better. I feel like there's more going on with them. You know what I mean? I just feel like they need an upgrade or something because it's real cartoony. But you can gamble in Decentraland, do a lot of stuff. So I got some Decentraland. I got a tiny bit of Sandbox, nothing crazy, just to hold it. There goes Quant. Quant is, a lot of people talk about Quant. I forgot what they do. It escapes me right now. But Quant's all right. I mean, you can do what you do with Quant. You just got to have some big bags to make big gains. Look, they're actually doing well right now. But as you can see here, they were at 3 bills. So if you buy one token of Quant and it hits 3 bills again, you get your money back plus 200. So that's Quant, right? Moving on from that, we're just gonna touch on the first page. I don't want to go through everything. Axie Infinity, they dropped hella hard. All right, I don't know if people still make money on that, but it is what it is. And then we keep going. Kucoin token, I never bought that. I use Kucoin all the time. IOTA, I don't really mess with it. Zcash, I think they're listed as securities on some exchanges, so that's interesting to know. BitTorrent, I don't know about them. If we keep going, the graph, I hear some things about the graph, but not much that I can even think about. Pancake Swap, decentralized, whatever. Helium, oh my gosh, Helium was legit for a while. I had a Helium miner, and that thing was doing all right. I should have sold, but I held on to it. So now I'm at a loss. I'm at a fat loss. I'm just gonna wait that one out, right? Then we keep going down. The BAT attention token. I'm tongue-tied. BAT. BAT is actually not. I like BAT because I use the Brave browser from time to time. You know what I'm saying? I use it. There's utility behind it because you can use it. You know what I'm saying? I watch pay-per-views on the Brave browser, and I watch YouTube videos on the Brave browser because there's no ads, homie. That's utility. You know what I'm saying? I like living like that. You feel me? So BAT, I do have some BAT, and that's because I use the browser, right? And I have some on the side as well just to have, because who knows how big it'll get, right? Moving on from that, I don't know much. I know people mine Raven coin. That's pretty much all I know about them. We keep going. XDC network. I've been meaning to buy some of that, but I just haven't. It is what it is. They're kind of like XRP, XLM type of token right there. So something to look into if you into all that. You want to be fully covered, right? Then you got Terra, Luna. Dude's going to prison, I guess. So it is what it is. I ain't touching that. Kusama, I hear about a lot as well, but again, I'm not messing with it. I don't want to have too many gaming tokens at the end of the day. I'm not really a gamer anymore, you know what I'm saying, or a crypto gamer. Hasn't been one crypto game that I've been like, oh my gosh, dude, I love it. Nah, it ain't happening yet. But I mean, that's pretty much the market, man. That's what I'm going to be doing, man. I'm just going to be chilling, relaxing. I don't even think I mentioned it, but yeah, what I'm going to be doing, I'll be chilling, relaxing, man, just watching for prices to go down. I mean, like I said, if Ethereum hits 900, 800, that's the time to buy different things, because you know the market follows. Everything follows each other. If Bitcoin hits 15K, Ethereum will hit 800. That's the time to start accumulating all these other projects that you like, that you have faith in, right? Take your own risk, man. TYOR. Do your own research, DYOR, and you should be great. You should be good. Do not follow nobody online, right? The only time, let me tell you something. Let me tell you a piece of what I do when I research certain tokens, right? I go online, I search it on YouTube. I go on Twitter, I search it on Twitter, right? $, name of the token, £, name of the token. Check out the Twitter, see how many followers they got. I go on CoinMarketCap, I click on the token or the coin, see there's a ranking, I see the token, I see how many people got on their watch list, and that's how I make my decision on whether I should buy it. I also look at the chart as well, see where it bottomed out, see what it's hitting, right? Again, I'm not a chart analyst. I just go off of just, I don't know, not really common sense, but I just go off of that before I buy something. I'm trying to see how popular is it? Are people invested in it? Are people talking about it? Look, Matic got 1 million people on their watch list, right? 1 million people on this are watching this. They're into it. They're available on a bunch of exchanges. I look at that too. If it's just available on one, I'm like, well, dang. Either they're going to release on other ones or they're going to stay there. I don't know, right? So I look at that. I look at the comments too, just for the fun of it, see what people are saying. Usually on CoinMarketCap, though, everybody want to say everything's a scam, which is kind of funny to me, but it is what it is. That's why I say take your own risk. But yeah, at the end of the day, that's how I do my research on certain things. And then I look at news as well. Are these people out there? Do they have news? Are they talking about anything? Or does the token just exist? You feel me? Are they active online? You know what I mean? You got to look at all that stuff, man. Got to look at all that stuff. But otherwise, man, yeah, the crypto space right now is not looking too great because of everything that's going on. Yeah, you just got to keep your eye on it, man. Like I said, let everything drop. That's when you buy. That's all. Let it all drop. That's when you buy, and then you'll come out great. My example is Ethereum. If you had bought it when it dropped to 900, you would be in the green today. You would have been in the green last week. Now, a week from now, 2 weeks from now, I don't know. But either way, you're in the green now. So you could have sold for profit and chilled until it went below. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, man, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Calico's Crypto Corner, man. I'm out of here.